Hello everybody, it's me, Beau coming to you today with this fairly long samurai sword. It's obviously a training sword, and my daughter already put stickers on there and even wrote her name in cursive on there. Her name is Lucy. Now, one thing that I wasn't quite aware of when I got this is that, see this right here? It's a little wiggly, so you kind of have to push this rubber grommet all the way on to ensure that that stays on. But it can slip off if you want to for some strange reason. But you know what? It's a great feel to it, and highly recommended. We actually got a whole bunch of these for a ninja camp for kids, and because obviously it's not sharp at all, nor is the tip pointed enough to do too much damage. So that's it. Just wanted to give you a real-world video demonstration of this guy if in fact your kid or yourself need a samurai training sword. So that's it. There's the katana.